Little duck and I walk in the garden, flowers bright and tall. Mommy smiles and guides our way, we love them all. Dig, dig, dig in the soft, soft sand.
That's it, JJ. Little duck helps with my little hand.
Scoop it high and then pour out.
That's nice and steady. Duck quacks happily as we build a mound.
Up, 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 we climb to the slide. Little duck follows, walking by my side. Slide, slide, down we go so fast.
Duck lands softly, having fun at last.
Pick a flower, see its pretty hue. Duck quacks, colors red, yellow, blue. Water, water, pour it slow and neat.
Little duck joins, playing with his feet.
Splash in the little pond, quack, quack goes the duck.
You have such hard with luck. See the birdhouse hanging from the tree.
Little duck and I wave happily. Look at the carrot, orange and sweet.
Little duck watches, ready for a treat.
Orange and sweet.
Red tomato is juicy and fun.
Duck quacks happily, learning has begun.
Bell pepper piece is crunchy and bright.
Duck wants to play, but waits for a bite.
Wait your turn, little duck.
Tasty vegetables for me and duck.
Mommy says sharing is caring, look.
Sharing is caring. Tasty vegetables for me and duck.
Mommy says sharing is caring, look.
Sharing is caring.
Home we go with food so bright. Cook together, what delight. Kitchen time, let's start to cook.
Healthy food from what we took. Quack, 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 we love to cook.
Wash them clean, splash, splash, splash.
Healthy food in a flash. Quack, 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 quack. Slice and chop, nice and neat. Veggie power we will eat.
Veggies cooking smells so yum. Strong and healthy we'll become. Crack the egg, 1, 2, 3. Protein power for you and me. Fry, fry, eggs so bright. Makes our bodies strong and light. Veggie dish and eggs so nice. Healthy food is our prize.
Quack, 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 quack.
Thank you food and thank you day. Healthy habits every way.
Veggies, eggs, and protein too.